Indonesia is the world's second largest plastic polluter, and this problem is serious in places like Malang in East Java, where communities often openly burn plastic. Plastics in land and water can harm ecosystems. Plastic burning releases toxins and microplastics in the air, posing significant risks to our health. Local governments and communities often struggle to manage plastic waste due to weak policy implementation, poor monitoring, lack of public awareness, and limited community involvement in developing solutions. Policies are rarely tailored to local needs, leading to low compliance. A sustainable plastic waste management system needs collaboration from all stakeholders, and the key to making this happen is co-creation. Guided by the Medical Research Council framework for complex interventions and existing co-creation models, we designed a tailored co-creation process to develop a context-specific multisectoral intervention. This consists of 3 key stages: planning, developing, and evaluation. In the planning stage, we developed an understanding of our context and built partnerships with community members through interactive activities such as circular conversations and photo voice sessions. We then formed co-creator groups consisting of community representatives, government officials, environmental activists, and researchers, all working together with a shared commitment to solving the waste problem. During co-creation stage, we at first co-developed a theory of change to ensure we have a shared understanding of our ambitions and possible solutions. In the next round, we shortlisted 11 potential intervention components using Impact Effort Matrix. We then assessed the appropriateness and feasibility of the shortlisted intervention components with the co-creator group to finalise top 3. Our final intervention components include 3 main activities. Activity 1, establishing village regulations for managing plastic waste. As a crucial first step, we are engaging with families, community groups and village leaders to establish plastic waste management regulations to define collective responsibilities. By tailoring these regulations to each village's unique context, we aim to achieve effective and sustainable solutions through awareness campaigns, penalties for non-compliance, and rewards for good practices. Activity 2, setting up waste management facilities in the neighbourhood and village. Neighbourhood waste banks or waste bank cells, small local waste collection centres. Residents can temporarily store their separated waste and weight and track recyclables. Waste bank managers will educate communities about recycling and foster community involvement by offering locally agreed rewards. Village waste bank units. These larger central facilities receive waste from neighbourhood waste banks and individual households. They will further sort and prepare recyclables for sale, manage finances, and pay for the collected waste, potentially creating jobs and income for the village. Activity 3. Provide training to community members and environmental cadres about the dangers of burning plastic and waste sorting. Our bespoke training will create new opportunities in the community to work as community environment champions. 10 champions in each village will be recruited and trained to effectively run waste banks and educate community members. These champions will raise awareness, monitor burning, organise neighbourhood cleanups, and guide waste disposal, especially using waste banks. To ensure that our intervention brings dual benefit to health and the environment, we are evaluating the intervention and implementation strategy through a planetary health lens by bringing together planetary health experts, environmental activists, and academic experts. Finally, we evaluated our co-creation process to improve future co-creation efforts. Following the Research Quality Plus for co-production framework, we conducted focus group discussion and interviews to assess research quality, stakeholder legitimacy, and contextual relevance. Community members gave overwhelmingly positive feedback, valuing the inclusive process. Many shared that this was their first opportunity to be involved in decision-making at such a level. This is care. Let's care for our environment with care.